WhatsApp images, videos, and document not showing in gallery in Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's fix this issue. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch WhatsApp application on your device. Tap three dots at top right corner and select Settings option. Scroll down, look for Storage and Data options, select that. Scroll down and under Media Auto Download, tap when using mobile data. And you need to simply turn on the button or check mark Photos, Audio, Videos, and Document and select OK. You have to do the same process for the three options given here. And after that, you need to simply head towards the chats from the settings section and enable media visibility. This will show newly downloaded media in your device gallery. By following this two step, your WhatsApp images, photos, or documents not showing in gallery will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.